Overview of technological advancement in Delhi Metro. The evolution of metro trains in India. Based on the experience available with respect to technology used in railways in India in general and global metros in particular, Delhi Metro decided to incorporate advanced technological features in Delhi Metro trains. The technological advancements incorporated in different phases of Delhi Metro are on-board ATP and ATO features. Initially, on Red Line, metro trains were designed to operate with automatic train protection system, a subsystem of continuous automatic train control system CATC, a system of working of trains adopted by DMRC. Later, automatic train operation mode of operation was introduced on yellow, green and violet lines with a view to augment automation in train operation. DMRC adopted this technology for the first time in India, where the movement of train is controlled by proven signaling equipment. Level of train automation. Gaining experience since its inception, Delhi Metro has increased the level of automation from automatic train protection to unattended train operation, which is the highest level of automation. In unattended train operation, the train operator is no longer required to be physically present in the cab and the train can run automatically under the monitoring and control of the Operations Control Center (OCC). Remote Command Enabled Operation Control Center (OCC). The unattended train operation means a train operation with no regulatory requirement of roving attendant on board, and the system is based on communication-based train control technology in which OCC can monitor and control running of trains. Propulsion system. All DMRC network run on 25 kV single-phase AC supply. Speed control. DMRC adopted the propulsion system having feature of variable voltage and variable frequency. This mechanism also helps in regeneration of power supply to the traction system to be utilized by other trains running on the same line. Due to regeneration of power during electrodynamic braking, DMRC train earn carbon credits also. High tractive effort in the latest train. The latest trains introduced on pink, magenta and grey lines achieve very high tractive effort by adopting 255 kW traction motor instead of 220 kW traction motor used in the previous DMRC trains, which results into availability of 66.6% of traction motor compared to 50% of traction motor of previous DMRC trains for better acceleration. Extension of auxiliary power supply when required. Metro trains in Phase 2 have the feature to extend the 3-phase 415-volt AC supply from adjacent unit. A unit consists of 2 or 3 cars which remain coupled. When auxiliary power supply fails in a unit, 3-phase 415-volt AC power supply shall be extended to the failed unit from the adjacent healthy unit, which not only helps maintaining the tractive power at the affected unit but also maintain the cooling environment inside the saloon. Battery system. Delhi Metro trains are also equipped with nickel-cadmium battery system that supplies to control circuits of subsystems as well as lighting, announcement system and air conditioners in case of non-availability of power from overhead equipment. The battery maintains backup for at least 1 hour with full load. Bogie and suspension system. Bogie and suspension assembly is one of the most important parts of trains. It is provided to bear the whole load of the car and provides the riding quality on trains. In the latest train, Obstacle Detection Device (ODD) has been introduced which shall detect obstacles and remove it from the track. Hypnoplate noise suppression. Hypnoplate is being implemented as noise suppression equipment of the wheel to reduce noise developed through rail and wheel contact. These hypnoplates are installed on the outer side of the wheels of latest trains. Air conditioner. The Phase 3 of DMRC trains are equipped with the inverter-based air conditioner which controls the speed of the compressor to control the flow of the refrigerant. It also helped DMRC to reduce the energy consumption as compared to its earlier trains. Fire detection system. Smoke sensors are mounted on board train to detect smoke. The latest Delhi Metro train has multi-detectors which are installed at multiple locations inside saloon and HVAC area that can detect both smoke and heat. Door system. There are 4 saloon doors at one side per coach for smooth boarding or deboarding of passengers. The train shall be able to move only when all doors are detected closed and locked as a safety feature. The saloon doors are electronically controlled by door control unit and electrically driven by 110-volt DC motor which are highly reliable. Pushback facility was also introduced in later trains to remove clothes, luggage, etc. if stuck between the door leaves. Special maintenance switch at saloon door. Each saloon door of the latest rolling stock is equipped with special maintenance switch with which individual test operation is realized during maintenance. This maintenance switch will reduce wear and tear of saloon door parts in the long run. Emergency doors for evacuation of passengers. Emergency detainment door is provided at either ends of the train for evacuation of passengers in case of emergency. Instructions for opening of the emergency door is provided with the help of stickers in the cab so that passengers can easily open the emergency door in case of any emergency. Advantage of voice recording facility. Audio recorders that can record all audio communications for the future reference is available in selected rolling stocks of DMRC. Emergency talkback unit. 4 emergency talkback units are provided in the saloon area near passenger door in all trains so that the passengers can give alarm to train operator by pressing push button in case of any emergency. Better control of Train Control Management System (TCMS) over Train Integrated Management System (TIMS. More train control features have been extended with Train Control Management System to train operator to manage the various subsystems of the Phase 2 train onwards. The control in the form of soft commands like on and off, isolation or reset, etc. to all subsystems are available compared to Train Integrated Management System (TIMS) of Phase 1 trains, which has a limited command. Surveillance system. Passenger saloon surveillance system was introduced in the second phase of Delhi Metro system for monitoring the saloon. In latest metro trains, 2 front cameras and 1 camera in cab are installed additionally for monitoring of overhead equipment, track conditions and cab area. Public Address and Passenger Information System. Public Address and Passenger Information System (PAPIS) was earlier controlled with hardware push button fitted in main operating panel of Phase 1 trains. It has been replaced with video display units through which soft commands for announcement using pre-written text messages may be done. This has improved the communication to passengers in later trains. Route map. The early Delhi Metro trains were provided with static type route map, which shows the information of all stations available on the route, and the door open or closed status was not available like in later trains. The new trains are equipped with dynamic route map in which the source station, current station, destination station along with saloon door open or closed status are shown with help of LED in different colors. Better passenger information display. The early phase dot matrix LED displaying passenger information are replaced with LCD screens in which image and video can be shown apart from showing route information on passenger information display screens in the Delhi Metro trains. These newer passenger information display screens shall be the platform for digital advertisements in Delhi Metro network. Intelligent dimming control for lighting. Each car of latest rolling stock is equipped with 1 dimming control unit along with 2 light sensors which control the illuminescence of artificial light so as to save energy during daytime. LED light. All lightings used in the latest rolling stock are LED powered by 24 volts DC battery, thereby consumes lesser energy. 100% LEDs are lighted from batteries in case of no power is drawn from overhead catenary equipment, that is OHE. Earlier, stocks are having maximum 50% power supply on batteries. Floodlight. Floodlight is installed in the latest rolling stock to focus its beam of light to overhead equipment OHE, since the train is designed for unattended train operation. Mobile laptop charging facility. USB/sockets are provided for mobile laptop charging inside the saloon in the phase 1 and 2 trains onwards. Wider gangway system. Wider flexible gangway has been provided for easy passage of passengers from one coach to another coach with the help of tread plate at the bottom to bridge the movement between the cars. Efficient use of space in latest trains. The efficiency of space is achieved by shrinking cubicle size and rearranging train-borne equipment under the passenger seat, and by adopting the car body size of broad gauge train to the standard gauge train.